Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we're gonna see how to reduce the size of your photos on any Android. So the first step is to download the photo reducing app. Just search reduce size of your photos, reduce photo size. From here scroll down and install this app. Hit install. Now when the app is fully installed, just open the app and give it the permission. Now as you can see, those are the width and the height of your artboard. And if you want to add an image to your artboard, just tap on it and select the photo that you want to reduce the size of. Now as you can see, the initial size of your photo was 964 kilobytes and it is reducing it down to 194 kilobytes. Now if you want to reduce it even more, just reduce the width and the height of your artboard. As you can see, it is reducing now down to 155 kilobytes. To download the image, just tap on download. Now to view your image, just go to the gallery app. Now as you can see, the initial size of our photo was 0.96 megabytes and it reduced it down to 155 kilobytes. And this is how you can reduce the size of your photos on any Android. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.